Once in a distant land, there lived a powerful and just ruler known as Kingman. He was not born into royalty, but had risen from humble beginnings to ascend the throne. Kingman was renowned for his wisdom, strength, and an unshakable commitment to the well-being of his people. Kingman's kingdom was a realm of great diversity, with different tribes and cultures coexisting. What set him apart was his ability to unite his subjects, fostering a sense of belonging among all. He firmly believed in the strength of diversity and understood that a harmonious kingdom was a powerful one. In his youth, Kingman had studied under the tutelage of the wisest scholars and learned the arts of diplomacy and statesmanship. He was not just a formidable warrior, but also a shrewd negotiator, settling conflicts and disputes peacefully whenever possible. One of Kingman's most remarkable achievements was the construction of a grand palace that symbolized the unity of his people. Each stone was contributed by a different tribe, and artisans from various backgrounds worked together to create a masterpiece that showcased their collective talents and heritage. Under Kingman's rule, the kingdom flourished. His subjects enjoyed peace, prosperity, and a sense of security that had been unknown. In their history, he maintained a robust economy, invested in education, and ensured the welfare of the less fortunate. But Kingman's true power lay in his compassion. He often visited the towns and villages, mingling with the common folk, listening to their concerns and addressing their needs. He believed that the strength of a kingdom was not in its riches, but in the happiness and well-being of its citizens. As time passed, Kingman's reputation spread far and wide. Other rulers sought his counsel, and neighboring kingdoms admired his leadership. Instead of conquering through force, Kingman's influence expanded through alliances and diplomacy. However, even the most powerful leaders faced challenges. A neighboring kingdom, led by an ambitious and ruthless monarch, sought to annex Kingman's land. In the face of aggression, Kingman remained resolute, using his diplomatic skills to build a coalition of neighboring kingdoms who shared his values of peace and cooperation. The battle that followed was not one of bloodshed, but of ideas and alliances. Kingman's powerful charisma and dedication to peace won the support of many, and the aggressor was eventually isolated and defeated. Kingman's legacy endured long after his reign. His kingdom remained a beacon of unity and prosperity, an example of what could be achieved through compassion, diplomacy, and the belief that the true power of a ruler lies in the happiness of the people. Thus the tale of Kingman, the powerful and just ruler, lived on, reminding future generations that true strength resided not in the sword but in the heart, and in the ability to unite a diverse land under the banner of peace and harmony.